Hello, สบายดี Welcome to Lao Booth. And today I will present Lao food and Lao things. This is salai. We usually eat it. And this is Lao sauce. It's a bit of spicy and a little bit of sour. This is fried fish. And this is the sticky rice. We usually eat this with Lao sauce and fried fish. And this is a skin of cow skin. And this is just a pork. And this is in Lao we call tipao. We usually use it to keep it warm. This is handmade seal pocket. We use it to keep a money. And this is Lao costume. Lao traditional costume. The woman will wear it. And this is Lao bag. We made it in Luang Prabang. The hand fan. Thank you. Thank you. ขอขอบใจ
Mabuhay Pilipinas! This is Chubby. It's the sweetest and chocolate taste. This is there's like candy and the sweet inside. This is milk candy. There's milk powder, and it mixed to sticky dough. Thank you.
Hello, Mabuhay. We are bringing the love of the Philippines here in Malaysia. And first of all, I would like to share to you my favorites from my Lola's hometown, which is Bacolod. This is called Barquillos. It is hard on the outside but powdery in the inside. It is my childhood favorite. And especially Piaya. It is ube flavored in the inside. They're also original and chocolate flavored. And this is Rosquillos. It is from Cebu. It is very recommended. It's very delicious.
Hello, I will be advertising three products from the Philippines, and the first one is Chippy. This is chips. It has a barbecue flavor to it, and this is actually one of the Filipino favorites. A lot of Filipinos like this, especially me. I like it very much. We also have Presto. It's a cheaper version of Oreos, I guess. It tastes like Oreos, and it's budget friendly. And the last one is Cloud9. This is a travel version of it. It's a smaller version. Um it tastes more of caramel. And if you're feeling like you can eat something chocolatey with a tin of caramel, then you should always try this.
Hello everyone, Mabuhay. I'm Francesca Madeline Bermudez Maloles. I'm going to present to you three foods. We have yama. Yama is like a caramel-like snack in the Philippines. Next, we have fita. It's like a cracker, and you can put anything on it too. Bag full of candies and salty snacks. That is all. Thank you.
Hi, mabuhay. I am Lovely Julian Mercado Holong Bayan, representative from the Philippines. This is the puto seco made for rice flour, and this is yama, and also have a chocolate. Thank you.
Salamat. Walang anuman.